Electronic Associates Inc. EAI was founded in 1945 by Lloyd F. Christianson and Arthur L. Adamson and began manufacturing analog computers in 1952. Their systems were used by NASA to develop space probes and simulate physical systems. As digital technology matured, they began production of hybrid digital/analog systems such as the EA680 with 156 amplifiers, diode function generators, and servo-controlled potentiometers to control input parameters. Under the direction of Robert E. Finnigan, the company developed the first quadrupole gas chromatography mass spectrometry devices and sold over 500 devices between 1965 and 1966, which accounted for most of the firm's profit. Other notable employees include Hans Witsenhausen and board member Everard Mott Williams.